Guys, Joster here, and I am back with another e-bike video. And this is probably one of my favorite e-bikes that I have reviewed here on my channel. This is the Shark 2.0 by Road. I did my video review about a year ago, and I believe there's a newer model. I think there's a Shark 3.0 now, and for what I've seen, it has a bigger motor and also bigger battery. But this bike is just awesome. There's now in a utility box, which is right here. I'm going to install it. You guys are gonna ride along with me the installation process. And look at that. Let's open it up. And then right here, this is what it comes with. It comes with these pads. This one goes right here, double-sided tape. It's really fancy. I mean, like if you want to go camping or if you want to go put something right here to hold it down, that's pretty nice. And then what else do we have here? Here we have the installation accessories, all the tools that you need for the installation. And there's some keys in there too, because you can lock it down. So I'm going to install it. For what I notice, you do need this little base right here in the bike. This one cost around $100. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video if you guys want to purchase this bike or the newer model or this little base that goes right here in the back, and also the utility box. Pull this out. Well, pull the whole box out of here. There you go. I'm going to remove this little screw to remove the base. The base is going to go into this other rear rack, or like a real base. Basically, we're going to secure this with these screws right here, and we're going to go into these little holes. That's it. We're going to secure it, and then we're going to attach the little box on top. Yeah, I need both of my hands. I am using a different camera so that way I have my hands free. So let's do this real quick. Although, I mean, I know you guys are very smart. You won't need to see all this. But just to show you how easy this installation is. It's like, it gets very tight already. Look at that. Now we're going to put this right here. Right? Now we're going to install the box. The box goes like this with the secure. Oh, it's like that. Now we're going to open the box and we're going to reveal this little screw that goes here. It's going to attach to the base. Super simple, and that's it. It is already installed, guys. Look at that. Installing these little handles that go on this side. Oh man, I didn't even use those washers. Look how easy it is to install this little handles here. Now finally I'm going to install this rear carbon fiber cover that goes here. We need to attach it or secure it with the screws here. I'm using this washer. I don't even know if you need to use this washer, but it seems to be working fine. All you need is just a screwdriver, and that's it. And then we're going to install, finally we're going to install these little covers that goes in here. So it does have a double-sided tape, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave this Velcro here. So make sure that this part is facing this way, right? When you open it, it has to face that way. Now we're finally going to install this last one, which is pretty much the same. I don't think there's a way for this one to get installed. You know, it just goes like that. Boom. And look at that. Isn't that cool? Now we can lock it like this. I saw some keys in here too. With this keys, we're gonna lock it. That way it can't open. Can't be open. There are some also extra reflector stickers here, which you can attach. I think that's fine. I can attach it here. You know, you want that extra protection, right? Look how cool is that. I can keep stuff right here if I want to go camping, if I want to go, I don't know, shopping. So guys, if you are looking to buy an e-bike, this is one of the best ones out there. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this is one of my favorite ones that I have reviewed here in this channel. It is very comfortable. I love the way it looks. It has a powerful motor. It has a very long-lasting battery. You can go for miles and miles with this battery. And the new model, the Shark 3.0, I think it has an even more powerful motor and a bigger battery as well. Not only that, this e-bike also offers great braking system. It has a headlight, tail light, signals. I mean, it has everything you want in one package, and I absolutely love this bike. And like I said in this video, this is sort of like a review of the trunk. I mean, this is an excellent accessory. I am going to leave links in the description of the video, guys, if you are interested in buying either this bike, or there's also another one called Emma 3.0, which has a dual battery, integrated dual battery, which I think is excellent too. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Jolster out.